Welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to take you through a process of reinstating a disabled Facebook page. If your Facebook page is disabled, this one is not user account, this one is not ad account, this one is page. So as you can see, this page isn't allowed to advertise. This is because the page didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies affecting business assets or standards, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. Learn more. So this one, basically, the page is being restricted, and until we are able to reinstate it, we cannot use it to run any advert. In some cases, you may also see boost unavailable. You may see boost unavailable, or this page is not allowed to advertise. So if you see all those terms, just know that you are restricted. So for those of you who may have similar to this, something like this, the best way to address this problem is on a computer, not on a phone. So don't try to resolve it on a phone. Log in on your Facebook account on a computer. After you log in, you come to the left-hand corner, and then you see Ad Manager. So you click on it. When you open to Ad Manager, because this one is not a user account or ad account, you will see a warning in the Ad Manager. If it were an ad account, you will see ad account disabled, or if it were a user account, you would have seen you are restricted from advertising. But if you see something like ad errors, ad set errors, as you can see on this screen, so the ad set errors means that all the advert that you have run, or all advert that are supposed to be running as of now, because I use that particular page, and the page is now having is now being restricted, all of those adverts will show as ad errors. And then when I go to the ad level, as you can see, setup error, delivery error, is because the page has been disabled. So what do I have to do? To understand the details of the problem, I have to come to the three lines on the left-hand corner and click on account quality. And I click on account quality, it takes me to account quality. So under account quality, you see everything that is showing here. You see account status overview. So as you can see, the user account is not disabled. If you see the ad account too is not disabled. What is disabled is the page. So if I click on the page, as you can see, that is where it brings us back to this particular page, saying that this page is not allowed to advertise and all that. So what I have to do is, when you look at the right-hand corner, you see what you can do, and you will see request a review. So you have to click on request a review. Now, before I continue, let me let you know this. There are several types of restrictions. You could have a user account restriction. You can have an ad account restriction. If it is an ad account or user account restriction, that one, you may have to do identity confirmation. And in that case, you must make sure that your name, your first and your last name, and then your birthday is matching exactly with your identity documentation, your identity confirmation document. If it is not matching, you must make sure you make those changes for it to match before you can request a review. Other than that, your request for review to be reinstated will be rejected. So first of all, you need to click on request a review. So, but as I said, if your own is a user account, not a page, if your own is a user account or business manager or ad account, you must don't check the video above. That is a user account. The video you can see above is a user account restriction. If it is also a business manager, check the one that you are seeing above. If it is a page, stay on this to the end. You'll be able to get a solution. Now, even if it is an ad account or user account, you can still follow this video to the end. Only that you have to do one or two things, like the name change and then the birthday change. If your name that is on your account, not the page name, but the user account name, and the birthday on the user account, if those things are not matching, when I say user account, I mean the account that has your name as a person. Okay, so those things must match. So you click on request a review. They are saying you can request a review if you believe that this page shouldn't be restricted. We will notify you within 24 hours. So click on get started. You see why are you requesting a review. So I won't. It is not. I am not sure which policy was violated. Don't choose that option. Choose. Okay, so you can choose. I think there was an unauthorized use of my page if your page was hacked, but mostly that will not be the reason. Choose another reason. The another reason is where you can describe in detail what happened. So um, I'm choosing the another reason, and I have to take time and write my reason and then post it here. So you take time to describe what happened. So what I wrote is, dear Facebook or Meta, my Facebook page has been restricted, and I am told this page doesn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies, or this page doesn't comply with our advertising policies, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. I've taken time to read Facebook policies in detail, and I know I have not violated any policy. I know this will definitely be a mistake because I've run several adverts and none of them have ever been rejected. I spend about $300 to $500 a month, and this restriction is really a big blow to my business. I pray you go through, review my account or my page in detail, and help me get reinstated. Please help me and forgive me if I have mistakenly violated any policy without knowing. So take time and write in detail. Some of you will ask me to send you this text. If I send you this text, all of you will paste the same thing or you will submit the same thing. And at the end of the day, they will not help us get reinstated. So what I'm saying is take time and then write whatever problem you encountered that led to your restriction. After you describe that in detail, you submit, you send it. And when you send it, you see review requested. Thank you for submitting your account for review. We're always looking for the security of our community. So while we are reviewing your information, your business won't be able to advertise. So it is in review. Within 48 hours, they will get back to us. If sometimes even less than that. So when the account is reinstated, then we'll now be able to continue with the advert again. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Leave your comments in the comment section. Follow the links to contact us if you have if you are not able to get a solution, whether it's a user account, ad account, or whatever type of restriction that you have. Remember to follow the links to contact us. We are always available to help you. We have an option, a Zoom service on a service or an option for us to be able to look at your problem on Zoom. So we have a Zoom service where you can book. We will be on Zoom to look at your account in detail and to help you get reinstated. We also have digital marketing course, or we set up the ad campaign for you. If you want us to set your ad campaign for you, a very high converting ad campaign, we will help you to be able to get back and advertise well and make more sales online. So please take your time, follow the links. You can WhatsApp us, then we'll get you a solution to whatever problem that you are facing. Thank you once again and have a great day.